name is Ram Sanjay. I am studying 8th class in Yabu Physical Educalam Periganyam of Chinganyam.
Antonyms: spotted,
Unspotted,
junk,
valuable,
early,
late,
want,
dislike,
they,
we,
far,
near,
expensive,
cheap,
bad,
good,
several,
few,
clumsily,
attract,
mend,
break,
all,
none,
down,
up,
going,
coming,
little,
big,
challenge,
accept,
restore,
abolish,
risk,
guard,
began,
finished,
on,
under,
remove,
add,
completely,
incompletely,
pull,
push,
lift,
drop,
bought,
sold,
back,
in front of,
everywhere,
nowhere,
damage,
repair,
clearly,
vaguely,
take,
give,
stuck,
lose,
last,
first,
fast,
slow,
try,
quit,
ease,
difficulty,
in,
out,
gently,
gently, rude,
end,
start,
use,
misuse,
brute,
benign,
force,
force, weakness,
struck,
extinguish,
sharply,
gradually,
with,
without,
open,
close,
reveal,
hide,
secret,
publish,
something,
nothing,
there,
here,
reach,
depart,
depart, top,
bottom,
receive,
send,
wrong,
right,
curiosity,
incuriosity,
scruples,
ignorance,
usually,
unusually,
inside,
outside,
fold,
unfold,
paid.
unpaid.
Good.